Good morning, guys. Welcome to our blog. And today is the fourth day in Manali, and we are heading towards Jogni Fall. And these are my cousins. We are tracking down to the Jogni Fall, and you can see the sky. And you can see how blue is the sky. You can never get this sky blue in Delhi, at least the clear blue. And the right temperature right now is 4 degrees Celsius. It's still cold in Manali. So let's go and track down to Jogni Fall. Down towards Mall Road. We will be hiring an auto from there, and he will be taking us to the Jogni Fall. And you can see that the road behind me leads to Old Manali, and one goes upstairs to Hidamba Temple. टू जॉगनी फॉल, और ये हम ट्रैक लेके जाएंगे ऊपर वहाँ पर जॉगनी फॉल के लिए। दो रास्ते हैं जाने के लिए, ये हमने शॉर्ट कर लिया जहाँ से आप गाड़ी या स्कूटी भी लेके जा सकते हैं। एक पीछे जाता है जो ट्रैक करके ही जा सकता है, वो हम आते वक्त लेंगे, ट्रैक डाउन करके आएंगे उस रास्ते से। तो इस वाले से जाएंगे एंड वी विल बी कमिंग डाउन फ्रॉम दैट। लेट्स गो। यहाँ पर आप ऑटो करके भी आ सकते हो या अपनी स्कूटी रेंट ले सकते हो। हमने ऑटो किया था विच कॉस्ट अस 200 फ्रॉम मॉल रोड टू जॉगनी फॉल। तो आप अपनी गाड़ी से भी आओ या रेंट करके भी आ सकते हो, बट यू हैव टू टेक दिस वे। अगर वैसे आ रहे हो तो आपको ट्रैक डाउन करके आना पड़ेगा, ट्रैक करके जाना पड़ेगा ऊपर। तो लेट्स गो एंड सी द जॉगनी फॉल। कम विद अस। दिस ट्रैक रोड इज़ ईजी टू वॉक, ये ईजिली चल जाता है। जो द सेकेंड वन इज़ लिटिल टफ एंड डिफ़िकल्ट टू कम, बट यू कैन ट्रैक अप दैट ऑल्सो वन। While tracking up, you can enjoy the village beauty, the small houses, the mountains, the rock mountains. See even here the little snow is there. And it's just 5 to 10 minutes away from here. You can come by car till this point, after that to this point, and after that you have to track up on foot only. You can see the river, the small river flowing from the you can see small river flowing from the Jogni waterfall, and the river has its own music of flowing, the nature's music. It's true, nature has its own beauty as well as its own music too. And the track is worth going there. And you can see my cousins are really tired, and it's sunny but it's cold also, and the sun is really very shiny, and they're totally tired. And you can look at the view, the beautiful view, mountains covered in snow, and here they come. And you can see the snow is also here. The beautiful river flowing, the green luscious tree. Whole path has been covered with snow, little snow. And we are climbing the stairs. Only this part is tough. Climbing the stairs. My cousins are tired. Come on. And we have to go there at that point upstairs or more to reach Jogni Fall. एंड ये नीचे स्मॉल जॉगनी फॉल था, इसमें हम बाद में विजिट करेंगे. पहले हम ट्रैक करके ऊपर वाले पे जाएंगे, विच विल बी टेकिंग अराउंड 30 to 40 minutes टू ट्रैक अप एंड वी विल बी गोइंग टू द मेन जॉगनी फॉल. You can see this is the way and it's very slippery. As per plan, as we were traveling up to the Jogni waterfall, we were not able to go. We just came halfway because the waterfall, the way to waterfall was very slippery due to snowfall, and a lot of people walked, so it was very slippery, and we were slipping down again and again. And since I have small cousins also, it was dangerous for them as well as for me, so we didn't go as per plan. So we will be going back down to the small Jogni waterfall only, and we will be enjoying there only. And so, but if you are coming here, do make sure that you are having good sport shoes or snowshoes, because they are really required here, because it is really slippery and you might fall down. And do carry a stick if you can to walk up there. And it's really important to take care of yourself while going up there, and do carry a water bottle also for yourself, because people think it's cold, and since we are up tracking it, you don't need water, because in winters we don't feel thirsty, but it's really required to have water, a sip of water time to time, so that you are not having fatigue also, and as well as you are not having mountain sickness also. So do carry a water bottle and a small snacks or something, so that if you are climbing up, you are having something to eat. So we will be sharing the moments at small Jogni waterfall. See you there. Bye bye. Trip to Jogni Fall. Now we will be tracking down and we will be going to Vashish temple. I will see you there. After enjoying at Jogni waterfall, now we are heading to Vashish temple and we are tracking it down from here, which I told you that there is other route, so we are taking that route and it will be going from village, so we are tracking down. See you at Vashish temple. While tracking down, you can see this beautiful valley and the beautiful mountains, and the river is flowing, Vyas River, and it's giving such beautiful scenic view. When you are walking in the Himalayas or into the lap of nature, it's a different feeling as well as different experience. When you're there, do experience it. Look at the trees, apple orchids, snow-clad mountains, everything. It's true, nature has its own beauty that doesn't need any description. Now finally we have reached to Vashisht temple, and the crowd is really high here. Vashisht temple is dedicated to sage Vashisht, who is Kulguru of Lord Ram in the village Vashisht across the river Vyas. The Vashisht temple is believed to be more than 4,000 years old. Inside the temple, there is a black stone image of Rishi wearing dhoti. The Vashisht temple is decorated with excellent and beautiful carvings on wood. The Vashisht temple is also known for its hot water spring, which is one of the famous attractions of this region. The hot spring is believed to have medicinal value. It is believed that it cures skin diseases. But due to COVID restriction, hot water spring was closed and we were not able to see that place. While going down from Vashisht temple, there is local market of Vashisht temple. You can shop from here, you can eat here, and you can have that special tandoori kulcha chai which is famous here. And it's 6 o'clock and the temperature right now is 2 degrees Celsius and it's getting cold. And this is for today's vlog. See you in the next vlog. Till then, enjoy the nature's beauty.